Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL 1X and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options now. We can do it by just simply sliding to the left, and here we have access to other modes of this camera and also to this button in the left corner. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the general settings. At the second place here we have the volume button function, so by tapping on this we can manage it, and we can pick from the capture, so we can take a picture by tapping on the volume buttons, or zoom, and we can also pick to change the volume. And this is how it works here. That's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.